you know?
Joby,
those gorilla pods.
gorilla pods, yes.
Yeah.
And put like a big ass mic on it and just
Yeah.
like
It
vlog
was
around.
so heavy. I think everyone got like biceps doing that.
Yeah. I used to like put like I remember I never understood how he shoots most of his content, but you know when you watch it, you just get an idea. So you just put like a
Yeah, I
put
used
the
to like
tripod on the
screw
road, you run around,
screw
you run past it,
around.
and then you come back, you pick it up, you close, and then you
Exactly.
do it all over again.
I used to do that for like months. I remember just like scooter around. And it was like exhausting.
Yeah, man. Those were
No, but I'm
the
happy
good
to be
times.
here in Pakistan. This was a long time coming. Like, I was supposed to come Pakistan like for over a year, I think.
Every single time you have been to India, I think the most people out of Pakistan were wondering
When are
why
you
not
coming to
Pakistan?
Like, when are you coming?
You're
to Pakistan?
literally just like a few kilometers away.
You know, the thing is, I've always wanted to come, and recently I was like, okay, you know what? I have to go to Pakistan. I have to go because I've been saying it for such a long time, and it's like I feel like I'm lying at this point. Like, am I actually ever gonna go? And then this time I was gonna come round. Everyone's scared of Pakistan.